I have gotten the new parts. Now we have the nice new shiny carburetor and the looking one. Then you have the magneto coil without the spark plug boot. And you have a magneto coil with that. I think it's gonna work. It should work, but we'll see. So I got the cover off. I'm going to use the new gasket for this one, but I think I'm gonna have to reuse the old gasket on this one because I do not believe we have another. And it looks like it's in good shape surprisingly for how old it is, but let's put that gasket on there, throw the carburetor on there, and we'll go from there. Look at that. Look at that. Brand new shiny carburetor, all plugged in. You got the gasket in there. You got the old gasket right there. That's in. That's in. Even that little one is in. So, yep, this is working nice. Those insides were only hand tightened. As before, I did not use a socket to get them out, so I tightened them by hand. And then on the end, I used the ratchet as you saw. Oh yeah, that looks out of place on this engine. Wonder why. Everything looks like it's working like it's supposed to. See, we've got lowest setting, and as I move it more, it moves that thing, and then that's choke, where it cuts the air out. And that thing works like a dream, so I think that's a pretty successful installation. I do not believe I missed anything, so it's a win. Alright, well, let's get this fuel tank and fuel line installed, and that should be good. Very nice. Yeah, the tank is what holds those two side pieces together. That'll do, right? Yeah, it will.